Welcome back, Forestry Tech fans. Today, we're once again hopping into the truck to tackle dangerous terrains where drivers showcase their top-notch skills. And don't forget to hit subscribe before we dive in. I wonder if he can make it through. That steel bar is way too long. Absolutely epic. Beyond amazing. If these guys' plan was to cause as much destruction as possible, they've already exceeded their goal. How to start a truck in West Bengal, India. I mean, this guy's against all odds and the toughest conditions make things work. Imagine what they could do with the proper resources. He's a professional truck driver. Driving through this road is not easy at all. I think this is a bad idea. You now have to pile up the timber because laying on ground it exposes the cut terrain and will rot. It's a race against time and snowflakes. Each minute feels like a marathon, with visibility so low you can barely see your own hands. This isn't just clearing snow, it's surviving the storm. This is exactly the smoothest driver of the year. How do they even make sure that huge thing doesn't just fall? Watching the excavator up there is like a real-life gravity-defying stunt. I've seen this too many times. When a truck starts smoking, it's usually the converter gone bad. Best to park it and call a tow before things escalate. A virtuoso driver with experience. Well done. A trailer is making its way across the Agwetia River on a makeshift raft. As a truck driver, would you be brave enough to attempt this? I certainly wouldn't. An outstanding rescue operation. A true testament to the strength of teamwork. Let's acknowledge it with applause. A timber truck had an accident trying to cross a raging river.
with the driver working to transfer the wood to another truck. A rescue operation with a tractor successfully pulled the truck ashore. Witness the flawless lift as the giant of the sea rises with unmatched precision. With the right tools and equipment, every task transforms into a masterclass of professionalism. A vehicle that can handle any terrain. Do you need one? Haha, I think he just made an enemy out of that pine tree. This guy must have nerves of steel. How do you even breathe when the cliff is right there? Talk about control. The Kamaz makes it look easy. During an incident, the excavator tipped over onto its side, but with the timely assistance of another excavator, everything was swiftly restored to its original state. Oh, a near disaster occurred when the truck hit a bump and tilted dangerously. Fortunately, the driver acted swiftly to prevent a rollover. Working with a crew that's totally in sync is the best feeling. Get ready. These unbelievable situations will catch you completely off guard. The MTS-82 and MB track pulled the small container with power and precision. This is a clear demonstration of strength and practicality. Creating your own path is always a smart move when facing trouble. A massive crane is lifting a colossal truck, teetering dangerously on the edge of a cliff. It's a heart-stopping sight, as if it could fall at any moment. This Progify 3S is way more powerful than we thought. The Pokeland's loading style onto the truck is fantastic, showcasing impressive precision and power in action. Tough situations need tough drivers. Drivers made of steel. Kudos, guys. Did that reckless move by the driver get your heart pumping? Dang. That thing doesn't waste any time. Each scoop is like a decisive punch. What a surprise. That fragile bridge miraculously held the weight of the massive timber truck.
Oh, steady!
The road was a gauntlet that the AS950 had to run. With every twist and turn, the truck seemed to be on the verge of giving up. But it persevered, a symbol of determination against all odds. It was like watching a slow-motion scene in a disaster movie. The ground just gave up, and the excavator didn't even stand a chance.
Balik materialnya sampai kakinya di bawah itu belum.
When pulling from the back doesn't work, rescuing the vehicle from the front is definitely the way to go. Witnessing this scene, anyone would be filled with fear. This car has an undeniable allure that's hard to miss. Digging? Check. Swimming? Yep, that too. This excavator can do it all.
Recording? Yeah. You not press pause, have you? Now it's recording. Sink first, Jim, when we get loads of traction. Foot to the floor. That's what I said, blokes. If it does stop in there.
It's great because it'll stay there now. It'll keep going now because it's just constantly got grip.
That's how you do it. Get the watermark in a minute. Get the lights on. What do you put your lights on for?
Looks like this is his unique way of washing the truck. Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you found these innovations captivating. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.